Let's get into the Bixie with our brand new Barracuda 6.2-inch scissors. Japanese steel, these things are amazing. Central vertical section. Let's lift all the way to the parting, and you're gonna do some gravity layering, scissors in motion, and then we are going to end with a C shape. There you go. And we're creating this beautiful textured finish. Very lived in type of vibe happening there. We're gonna over direct that last section, and we're gonna do the same on the opposite side. Gravity layering all throughout this entire section, and we are just gonna fine tune the perimeter, and there you go. Now let's take it to that next zone right on top of it. Horizontal sections. We are gonna use our razor and create a square cutting line. This is gonna have a little bit disconnection right over that nape area that we just did. Create a nice little bob vibe over the top of that loose nape area. And now we are going to take vertical sections and create more of a square cutting line. This will create a little bit more shape and a little more lift within that crown area. Let's get right to the sides using the guide from the rear of the head, the round of the head. We are going to elevate at about 45 degrees and do some point cutting. Now we're going to bring in that razor again, and we are just going to create this beautiful textured vibe happening here. Now let's give her some pop on the top. We're going to create this little circular section, weave section. We are going to twist, 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 create some tension, grab our scissors, and we are just going to do some little slits all throughout this area. We are going to continue to tighten it up, and now we're going to back cut. Watch this. We're going to back cut this entire region, and this is going to give us that extra lift, that extra pop that we're looking for at the crown area without disrupting the rest of the shape. You can see it already. It's starting to get that shape together. Now, let's lock in a nice fringe. We're going to use our Barracuda comb clip and our brand new amplified 927 comb, and check out how that comb clip can really get some clean isolation and clean partings. And we're going to take horizontal sections. We're going to twist again using her nose as reference, grab our scissor, and we are just going to do these nice little cuts in motion, almost using the scissors like a razor. And it's going to give that nice textured vibe happening. Again, everything has a ton of movement in this haircut, and you can see why. And there you go. Once we have it all set, she is ready to roll. Here's her nice textured Bixie.